Hey, Mike.
What?
What are you doing?
Turning the swap cooler off.
Why?
Because it's loud. Because loud.
What?
What? What?
Oh, that's better. It's gonna be hell in the summer.
Yeah.
We have to turn it off. We ain't gonna turn it off. What are we doing?
Deal with it.
What are we doing here, guys?
So we're redoing this notch because the notch isn't deep enough. It's not tall enough. Deep enough? Well, it'd be depth this way. I don't know. Whatever. And we're coming across a lot of issues. That I'm not gonna say the shop. We know who touched it before us. They didn't do a perfect job. I mean, I guess maybe the way we would do it, which is fine. Everyone has their way, but I still feel there's a right way and a wrong way. This is a shock. It's a standard size, 20.5 inches from inside to inside. What is it, like 20 inches of stroke or whatever? Still a good shock. It's the ones that we pulled off of it. Now, if you look, everyone knows how shocks work.
Get in there.
See? Mm-hmm. That's a sleeve, a bushing, right? For the hardware to wiggles and go in there appropriately.
Wait.
It's still not even
still not the right.
It's not even the right hardware.
Right, we'll get there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know.
So, it's 1/2 inch hardware and a 9/16 hole, right? The top. This is how we pulled it out.
No sleeve.
There's no bushing in there.
There's nothing in there.
There's bushing. No sleeve.
But and we'll show you. This is the hardware that was holding it in. Right. Now, it could possibly change the way the suspension performs. You know what I mean? But in reality, it'll just shorten the lifespan of the shock and the bushing.
I just thought of something else, Michael.
Yeah.
Let me see that.
Mm-hmm. This?
Yeah.
Is that the wrong hardware?
Oh, okay. At least it's 1/2 inch holes. How about the bottom one? The bottom one looks bigger.
We checked those
Oh,
already.
They're 1/2 inch holes.
I was like, man, those things are jiggling around, making
yeah.
all sorts of
So
rackets.
that was a big what the
frick?
Yeah. So what we're doing today is we're just gonna put a taller notch in. Let's get the other notch.
Hey, look at that sexy guy.
This is the same notches we sell and we install all the time. It's an 8-piece, right? Because there's 2 sides. And they did a fairly decent job here. I mean, there's some undercut on the welds and stuff, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It's pretty stout. But the thing that stinks is their notches are nearly just as wide as ours. So we're gonna have to get creative as far as keeping this frame straight and level while we cut this one out to add this one. So, yeah.
That'll be fun.
That's fun.
Be a good time.
Yeah, good time. So what we did is a 1x2 by quarter wall, right? Up on end as a backbone. Backbone? We trimmed off the lower edge here because it had a slight overhang. We just trimmed that off with a torch. That way we have a backbone when we cut this apart.
Where's that other shock bolt at?
They're all in that bin.
Because I saw 3.
Yeah, I have the other one.
You do?
Yeah, it's in my. I put it in my car so I can match the bushing.
Okay.
Oh. And yeah, so that's what we're doing there, so we can cut this loose. I'm just gonna take the torch because the new notch is gonna hang further over. So I'm just gonna take the torch, cut along the weld. I'm gonna cut this whole thing out with a torch.
Are you gonna have your grandma come check it?
Maybe.
I hope so.
But yeah, so that's what.
If you don't, then I'll have my grandma come check.
Grandma!
Hey, grandma!
All right, back at you later.
Bye.
All right, so there it is. We had to torch this out And as you can see, they welded on the inside of the weld. So there's the air compressor.
Never fails.
Stand by. There we go. Okay.
Never
So you see,
fails.
they put these welds on the inside. So my guess is they put the outer plates on, welded them in place before they put the top on, which seems a little weird, unnecessary, but whatever. So we had to get creative with the cuttings, and we found that out from doing the first side over there. So let's go over there, where Johnny has done some measurements and got the new notch in place. Yep. But
Keep in mind, we sell this notch, and we also installed it.
see, I didn't know there was a weld there. But
That's all right.
Yeah.
Because that's getting cut out.
Well, this is all getting cut out anyway, but you see what I meant by learning, you know, where things were located. So a little more dross on this side from the torch, but it came out. Yep, and now we're gonna
Do stuff.
he's gonna clean up that side. I guess I'll come over here, tack this in so we can kind of tag team this and get it done quickly.
Tag team, back again. I don't know the rest of the song.
Hey, don't get us a copyright.
What? I said I don't know the rest of the song.
Those YouTube guys and their copyright. Anyway.
Yeah, actually needs to be bigger on one end.
What you doing?
I don't know.
No?
Fucking it up, probably.
Probably. Johnny's measuring for the upper cap so we can tie this in and start knocking out the bottom structure. We sell these kits with a full length, right? So you're always gonna have to cut a little bit, but it's one of those things. If we make them too short and you have a smaller tube frame, like, you're gonna need more. So
Right. If we
leave
cut these for a 5-inch frame and you have a 4-inch frame, then it's not going to fit.
right.
And
So
then it's not universal.
yeah, that's why it's called the universal notch. So that's what he's doing. And if you look, we got both, I guess all 4 side plates
Yeah.
that are level with the world. Yeah.
Where's your square?
I don't know. And
No, there really is a square.
there we go. We're touching on all 4 points, so it's nice and level with itself. And Johnny's looking for my square, so
Yeah, where is it?
I don't know.
Where's your triangle that's called a square?
I don't know. All right, so here we are. We got both top sides of the notch. So essentially this is one frame now. And now I gotta go in and cut all of this out. Yeah, I think it's coming out pretty good. We got the bars cut already that are gonna go here. Avoid new shock tabs. Yeah, making progress. So there it is. We got shock tabs. We're using a factory location instead of the extenders because of where we put that upper bar. Get better motion out of it, won't be bottomed out. But I mean, there it is, all done, welded out. And then Johnny
Just being stupid.
is about ready to cut a hole for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just remember what side of the line you're cutting on there, bud.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark it.
So pretty stoked, we're done. I'm gonna take those bolts off that are welded on the shock mounts because I do that so they don't squeeze in. When I cut those out, I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna slap some paint on this thing and we're gonna put the bed on. And then we'll be done. Well, no, then we gotta put the bumper on, put the filler neck back in, put the tires on, and then we'll be there. All right, the bed's on.
Hold on. Wait a
The
minute.
bed's on.
Wait the fuck on.
What are you talking about?
I'm the fucking. Oh, you only had the air on. You didn't have the water on.
I'm out of breath. What'd you do?
That.
Fucking lifted a bed.
Oh.
Actually, I didn't do any of it.
You just came to put the bed on.
Pull the bed off, put the bed back on.
Actually doesn't look half bad.
Oh, it's so good, man.
It doesn't look like an afterthought, really, to be honest. There it is. Top notch. Ha!
Yeah.
Zing!
Now you gotta bolt the bed down, get the filler neck stuff done, make sure everything's not rubbing, put the bumper back on.
Yep.
Sweet.
Wait, say that again.
What did I say?
I don't remember.
Oh, bolt the bed back on, do the filler neck, make sure nothing's rubbing, and put the bumper back on.
Yes.
So good, dude.
And do what? And do what?
So good, dude.
A what?
A dude.
A dude?
I'm gonna put
It's like a dude.
I'm gonna
Dude?
put the eggplant emoji over your mouth every time you say dick.
Oh, you said it.
I know, and it's gonna go over my mouth.
Nice.
What word is it?
Dick.
Dude, don't be a dick.
Or cock.
Wait, what?
Or cock.
A chicken.
It's like tennis.
Rooster's going over
Bow.
there.
All right. That's it for this one.
Yeah.
Clearly you've seen us do a notch before, but here's another one. So, cheers. Have a good day. Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. We'll see you next week.